Today we talk about how can you select distance unit on your Travigo app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on distance unit, just click on it here. We just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here, and here you select distance unit in this list. So that's all you have to do to select it here. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.